Hello, Winston. Hi everyone, welcome to my organised apartment tour. I've finally gotten around to doing it. I have cleaned the apartment today, I've finished all of my tasks, and I thought, you know what? I need to commit and film this video. So let's start with the tour. Let's start with the bedroom. Welcome to probably my favourite room in the house because it has such beautiful natural light in here. And I really love this rug. It's from Temple & Webster. I'm gonna link some of the things down below in the description box. Over here we have my bedside table. We haven't gotten around to rolling out the runner for the corridor yet just because Winston's still toilet training. And then we've got really cool washing basket from Adairs and the paper bag. I don't know, I just think that's some cool decor, but I think it's meant to be a laundry bag. Also, if you watched my recent video where I was inspired by Marie Kondo to tidy up my life, I am proud to say that my wardrobe is still in wonderful condition, so have a look. Now, I still haven't gotten around to getting my shoe racks, but everything is still nice and tidy and folded. I haven't just thrown things in like I used to. And then in here you can see the same. I've still got my jewelry all nice and organised, and I still got to list that stuff on eBay. Alright, next room. Let's go to the living room. This is also going to have a beautiful plush rug, which is the one in the corner over here. Again, we just have to hold off because of Winston. And you can see we've got a little coffee table. I actually keep two of my favourite things here. These are photos from Adam and my wedding, and these are all of the love letters that I keep in this box. It did chip actually when we were bringing it from Sydney to Melbourne, but you know what? It's a reminder that nothing is perfect. Then I've got all of my yoga props, my yoga bolster, my lemongrass diffuser going at the moment. I keep all of my essential oils over here. Some of my favourite are by Sage, by the way. And another photo from Adam and my wedding. Then if we go this way, we have the dining room over there. But first, Winston's playpen. Popped all his toys in there earlier. This mirror is going to get hung. Eventually, I might just air task it and get someone to put a proper screw in because that plastic adhesive hook is not gonna do it. Then we have another plant in the corner here. I love this one. I think it's beautiful and it's doing so well. It just gets the right amount of sunlight every day. All right, now onto the kitchen. So we try not to put too much on the benches just so that we have enough space to do all of our chopping and dinner prep. And then on the other side, we've got our fridge, lots of cupboards for storage. And then we usually do most of our chopping on this bench just because it's got the most room. All our spices are here. We got these racks from Kmart. We are gonna stick them up, only we need to buy some more adhesive hooks. Okay, next, bathroom. So the toilet's in this room here with the sliding door, but if you walk in, there's the bathroom. We've got all of our towels rolled up. Thank you, Marie Kondo, for the tip of rolling everything. Another beautiful house plant. This is probably one of my favorites as well. Actually, they're all my favorites. I can't choose. This one is doing really well. Look how long it's getting. This one's actually fake, by the way. It's the only fake plant in the apartment. And then we've got our sink, another one of my favorite candles from Sage. Oh, and I bought a hand pump soap from Sage as well. Shipped it from Canada to Australia because I love their stuff. All right, onto the last room, a very special room. Adam and Winston are in here at the moment. I think Winston's still sleeping. Yes, he is. Look at this. Hello, Winston. Hello, you're having a nice sleep. Okay, I also really love this room because of the natural light again. Here is our armchair where I do a lot of my morning meditation. Got some photos on the windowsill, another plant. I think this one is called Mother's Tongue. It is so cool. And then another little mirror. I don't know where that's gonna go, but I'm kind of happy just leaving it there. My wall calendar and my vision board, Adam's desk, and my desk. Now, I don't have that much on my desk. I do have a book for storing receipts. This is a beautiful journal that my best friend Lance got me, but for my day-to-day organising in my diary, I use this one from Kiki K. Got some beautiful affirmation cards here as well. So I kind of just swap between them every day and pin a new one on my vision board. And as I mentioned, I've done really well keeping everything organised. So here are my drawers in my desk, still looking nice and tidy. I haven't added anything new to them. Everything's been decluttered and I'm really proud of myself. Oh, and I don't think I ever showed you what was in this drawer in my last video. So I've just got some notepads, a little desk drawer organizer, some watercolor, pencils back there, and more affirmation cards. Now it does get pretty hot in the study, so that's the one downside to this room because the sun comes through that window. But I hope you all liked my organised apartment tour. Comment down below which was your favourite room. I think mine is the bedroom or the study, I can't decide. And make sure to click this image here to watch a recent video. This one for one I think you would really like. And also remember to subscribe. See you very soon. Mwah! Bye guys!